Hello friends, this video on components of food part 3 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. How does food provide us energy? Now what food provides is nutrients. Now what is nutrients? So these are those substances that provide nourishment which are needed for growth and development of life. Now different organisms, as we keep eating, what happens? So think of human beings. Now when we are born as very tiny babies, small height, small weight. So we were like very tiny. But over a period of time, what happened? We kept eating, drinking, we took healthy diet, we had healthy food, we ate fruits, vegetables, and as a result we started growing up. Our height started to increase, our weight started to increase, so our maturity level increases. So over a period of say 10 years we are quite a grown up child. Again, over a period of 20 years we are a mature adult. So basically, with time, as our body keeps on receiving the required nourishment, the nourishment is nothing but the substances that will help the body to grow. So these substances are called nutrients, and these nutrients are present in the food. So if we eat proper food, there will be proper growth of our body, and as a result we will stay healthy and disease free. So that's what food does. Now what are those kind of nutrients which are provided by the food? So that is something which we will see in the next slide. But these nutrients are present in food items like whatever we eat, whether you think of milk or you think of cheese or you think of fish, you think of meat. So all of them contain nutrients. Now there are many different types of nutrients which are present in food. We will quickly have a look at that. So when you talk about the nutrients, so let us look at all these food items and let's see what is that specific nutrient which is being provided by that particular food item. Now it is not necessary that one food item can provide only one nutrient. It can provide multiple nutrients as well. So let's have a look. So here you see a lot of food items. So let's concentrate on milk. So milk is a rich source of a nutrient calcium. And why do our body needs calcium? Because calcium helps us to maintain strong bones, strong teeth. So if our body has enough calcium, we are going to have strong bones and teeth. So milk is a rich source of calcium. Now that doesn't mean that milk contains only calcium. Milk might contain other nutrients also, but calcium is present in a larger amount, and that is why we say milk is a very rich source of calcium. Think of fish. So fishes are very rich source of proteins, and proteins are needed for the growth and overall growth and development of our body. It helps in the tissue repair within our body. So for the overall growth we need proteins. Think of bread or any other item like rice or roti or bread. So they are all rich in carbohydrates, and carbohydrates primarily provide energy to the body. So without carbohydrates we will not get energy. So that is why bread or roti or rice, that is an essential part of our daily diet. You think of fruits. So the fruits are rich source of minerals, and minerals are again needed for to maintain a healthy body. Think of butter. They are rich source of fats. Now when you listen to this word fat, you often feel that okay, fats are something, if we eat them we will become fat, and that is not good. But that's not the case. Fats are also very good source of energy. They are like instant source of energy. So as soon as you eat food you immediately get energy. But yes, if you consume fats in excess amount, that is not good for your health, because that results in overweight of your body, and which can cause many other diseases. Think of green vegetables like spinach. So it is a very rich source of vitamins, and again there are many different types of vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin K, E, and so on, and each of those vitamins have a specific role to play in our body. So spinach, they are very rich source of vitamins. In fact most of the green leafy vegetables are very rich source of vitamins. So here on this slide we saw the different types of nutrients. So the food that we eat, they provide us all these nutrients like proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, and our body needs all of them. So what we are going to do next is we are going to talk about each of these nutrients in little more detail. But how do we know that which food item is rich in which nutrient? How do we know that we need to drink milk so that our body gets calcium? How do we know that carbohydrate is present in bread or minerals are present in fruits? So basically that's what we are going to discuss in the next section. Thank you. Please visit www.examfear.com to watch more educational videos with a better experience. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you once again.